Hello, I'm going to show you how to make this little sunflower, and you can attach the keyring to it. So we're using size 4 yarn and 4mm crochet hook for this. Start with creating a magic circle and make 6 single crochet stitches inside the circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and you can close your circle. Now the next round will be increase round, so you will be making 2 single crochet stitches into every stitch. So make the first 2 stitches, and then I would mark the very first stitch so you know when you've done your circle. That's 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, and you're back to your stitch marker so you know you've done it right. It's a bit hard to see sometimes with the dark yarns. The next round you will be making single crochet and then the increase. So make your first single crochet and then increase stitch, so the 2 stitches go in the same stitch again, and repeat this all the way around. Next round we will be making a single crochet stitch, then an increase, and then another single crochet. So do the first single crochet, then do your increase stitch, and then another single crochet stitch straight after, and that's the pattern repeat for this round. So single crochet and an increase and another single crochet, and repeat this all the way around. Next round you will be just making 1 single crochet into each stitch all the way around. You'll have 24 stitches. Just keep going all the way around. When you get to the end of this round, you fasten off and cut your yarn. And we will need to make another circle like this because your flower is double-sided. Once you've done your 2 circles, we will be attaching them together, and you will place the wrong sides of the circle inside and leave the right sides outside, and you will be working with your new color, which will be yellow for the sunflower. You will be working through both sides, attaching them together by single crochets. So get your yarn, attach it, going through both sides, chain 1 first, that does not count as a stitch, and then make single crochet stitches going through both sides of your work and attaching the sides together like that. So you have to make sure you're grabbing the next stitch on both sides, go through just making single crochets all the way around, but stop after you made about 20 because we will add a little bit of stuffing inside the work as well. Once you made your 20 single crochet stitches, you can just tuck in these tails. Now get your little bit of stuffing and stuff your flower. And then we'll go back and finish off making another 4 single crochet stitches. Slip stitch into your first single crochet stitch to finish off this round, and then chain 1 and single crochet into the same stitch. And now we will be adding petals. So into your next stitch you will be making a double crochet, so yarn over, go through, and then yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, pull through another 2, make another double crochet stitch, and then another one. You'll make 3 double crochet stitches, and then we will be doing a little mini picot, so chain 2 and slip stitch on the top of the last double crochet stitch you made, and then we'll make another 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch from around below. When your first petal is done, we'll make a single crochet into the next stitch and start making the next petal. So next stitch, again, we'll be doing 3 double crochet stitches first, and then you do your little chain 2 picot, so chain 2 and slip stitch at the top of the last double crochet, and then make another 2 double crochet stitches into the same stitch, and next stitch we'll have a single crochet in there, and you'll be repeating this all the way around. 3 double crochet stitches, chain 2 picot, and another 2 double crochet stitches, and then a single crochet into the next stitch. When you get all the way around, slip stitch into the very first single crochet you made, then chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now skip 3 stitches from your hook and slip stitch into the 4th one and into all of the other chains back towards your flower, and then slip stitch once more into the middle between the two first and the last petal and fasten off. Get your yarn needle and weave in your tail, hide it inside the flower head, and now you can attach your keyring attachment. Do that a little bit of a cap which was left when you skipped the 3 chains. Just get your keyring attachment and feed it through the top of the flower. And here you go, your beautiful sunflower keyring is done.